All right, so each of the portraits will start with a sketch. Depending on what portrait you do, you might have different paper. I do have plates and small other things so that if you want to start the circle like you saw here with the plate, you could do that. So you might start with this exact video that you see, or you might start with one of these side or 3/4 view videos. Once you've done your sketch, here are your options. This first one is the Chuck Close shaded. So you're gonna use charcoal and pencil, and this video will take you through how to shade, add highlights, and shadows. Of course, you will modify according to how your person looks inside your head, but it gives you great tips. This is also a good video to come back to in case I talk about shadows and you don't quite get it on another video. This one is the same thing but in color. So actually from now on we'll call this the Kehinde Wiley one because he is known for doing those more in color portraits. It will show you how to use oil pastels to create value. And then this one is the Chuck Close grid. So it's still a picture that looks realistic, but using the kind of pixel-like quality to create this image. All these papers so far start with a normal thick paper. Now this one is the Roy Lichtenstein, the cartoon one. I'm starting on bubble wrap, and I am first sketching it out with a normal marker and then sharpening it to make it permanent. Yours will be attached to your paper, but what you can do is you can draw the inside, print, and then you can use markers to create dramatic lines. And it'll kind of go over with making thick and thin lines, so that way you can create that kind of cartoon looking effect. You don't have to do the bubble wrap, but you need to let me know when I pass out supplies. This last one, or no, sorry, the second to last one is the Derek Adams one. So you'll start on a computer paper the same way, not too many details though, but this will be collage. So you'll cut it into hair, face, and neck. You will collage pieces together, and then you will cut out parts of the head and face. You want to keep those white papers for your drawing because you will also use that to transfer your drawing. So you can color on the back, then press it hard, and you can transfer the actual, or trace your actual image that you drew already. You can also use that face to cut out extra pieces as well. And then the last one is the Pablo Picasso. I don't have an in-process one, but remember that's the most abstract one. You can have fun with shapes. It does not have to be perfectly in proportion, but you do want to have all the parts of the face.